take your hair, you feel me? Get the needle. With these 2 fingers, you can grab the hair. 3 fingers, my bad. You see, you can take the needle. Basically, you're gonna pull the hair from this side to the middle of the dread. What's going on, man? It's your boy Luis, 25 Locs. I'm back with another video, guys. Okay, look, man, look at my hair. Y'all let me know how it look. This motherfucker is long as hell. Look at that shit. My hair is long, man. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I feel like in the future, I might get some wigs. Cause they low-key look good on me. Look at that. Like, they look good. Y'all let me know right there what you think about it. But anyway, guys, so look. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how to use the crochet needle. If you have like an afro or a fro, whatever it is, you feel me? You wanna have like dreadlocks like I did, like I be telling y'all and teaching all my people how to do. So I got another video, guys, showing you how to use the crochet needle hook. As simple as that. So all you gotta do is pay attention, stay to the end of the video. This is gonna be like a short video. I'm talking about like 8 minutes, some shit like that. This is simple as hell. But most people out there, they just be talking, you feel me? And they don't be showing y'all what you're looking for. Stay here, don't skip the video, don't go nowhere. Anyway, look, got some kinky hair right here, some kinky hair. This is real hair, human hair. So I bought this on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description right there. Use my code for a discount, and you got it, you feel me? So you practice. So all you gotta do is like prepare the hair, you feel me? Prepare the hair like it is. Then this is the needle that I'm gonna use, 0.5. I'm gonna leave it right there on the description so you get it on Amazon if you don't have it. Take your hair, you feel me? Get the needle. I don't know if you guys can see, but the needle have like a hook right here, like a hook. So I use the needle facing out. The hook be facing out. I don't know if you know what I mean, but I feel like you do. So look, with these 2 fingers, you can grab the hair. 3 fingers, my bad. You see, you gonna take the needle. You go pull, basically you're gonna pull the hair from this side to the middle of the dread. That's what you're gonna do. You feel me? So you basically are pulling the hair, but if you can see, guys, I'm not pulling the needle all the way to this side. Because if I do it, this is what's gonna happen, look. So I pull the hair from this side and then I pull it out. You see what I'm saying? You guys don't wanna do that. Because basically like you're gonna just be wasting your time. So don't pull the needle all the way to the other side. You pull it and you leave it in the middle of the dread. Because you're gonna be creating the dread, the body. You feel me? So you go ahead, slow, you feel me? Because you don't want this bitch right here go through your fingernails. That shit be painful, man. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. If this need to go all the way to your fingernails, you're gonna quit. You're gonna be like, fuck that shit, I'm gone. I'm not doing that. So you gotta be careful. Don't be like, don't trust this motherfucker right here. Don't trust, never ever. I've been doing this for a minute. And when I'm working in the barber shop, I always be looking at the needle. I don't be looking away, looking at the TV. Nah, I be looking at, feel me? Cause like this one gonna make me bleed, and I don't want that. So you gotta look at the needle. You feel me? That's what I'm doing. I'm not looking away. I don't want that. So look, and then you keep going, you're well down. So remember, if you wanna have thick hair or thick dreadlock, all you gotta do is take a lot of kinky hair. This one gonna be thin because this is not even a lot of afro that I took. You feel me? So that's, you see what I'm doing, working my way down. So most people will be asking me like, how do you go like down the dread without pulling the needle? I'ma see how I can explain it on another video, but I don't know, I just do it. Like, you see, I'm not even taking the needle out, I'm just working my way down. You feel me? Like, so that's how I do it. You see, and with these two fingers, I'll be moving my work. So to create a shape of the dread. As simple as that. So guys, by the way, man, go follow me on my IG, Locs, TikTok, Facebook, on YouTube right here. Subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for always being there, showing me love. Thank you for watching my videos. I ain't gonna lie to you. If you got any question, go ahead and let me know right there on the description. I got you. I'm gonna be answering every single question. This is Dreadlocks. Don't forget to buy this needle or the kinky hair on the description that I'm gonna leave. It's gonna be on Amazon. And another thing, guys, so if you have an afro, some shit like that, and you don't wanna like start practicing with your own hair because you might mess it up. So if you don't know, you will for sure. So go ahead, man, get you some kinky hair from the description. It's gonna be cheap, so it's not even that expensive. Get you some kinky hair. If you don't have a crochet needle like this, go ahead and get you one and practice. Like, you're gonna learn. Watching my videos, I'm gonna be posting at least once a week. So don't kill me if I don't post at least once a week, but I've been doing a lot. I got a lot of clients on the barber side and dress side, crochet work side, you feel me? So I got people in every area, so I'll be busy as hell. And other things, I'm located in Louisville, Kentucky. So if you wanna have your hair touched up or whatever, like get some started locks, get some retwist, even get some class, I'm able to do it. Just gotta hit me up on my DM. I normally be most of the time on IG and Facebook, or even right here on YouTube. Just gotta let me know. Let me know where you at. Let me know what you want, and let me know what you wanna get done. I got you. That's guarantee you. So another thing, guys, y'all let me know how I look. This is my first time getting this style. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, and this is something, you know, that she did like, let me see how you look. So she washed my hair, and then she said, okay, so I'm gonna throw a style so your hair dry nice and good. So then she did this, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I love it. You feel me? Like, I like this. So I don't know if later on in the future I might get some wigs. I don't know yet, but I feel like I will. I love you guys. You see how this dread look? You can pull it and it's not gonna break because it is a dread for real. So I love you guys. See you in the next video. And please, if you got any idea what you want me to do, just let me know and I'ma see what I can do for you. Because this is Luis 25 Locs from Dominican Republic. Mi gente, estamos activos. Ya ustedes saben, suscríbanse al canal, activa la campanita, que estamos activos. Luis 25 Locs.